The ancient Maya played a game called a-Tok, or pits. Ball games were an important part of Maya culture and religion. Instead of going to war, enemy cities would play against each other on the city's ceremonial ball court. The losing team or player would sometimes be sacrificed to the gods. Games sometimes lasted for 2 weeks. They were attended by priests, rulers, and chiefs. It was a time for feasting, dancing, singing, and religious ceremonies. Every city had at least one ball court. These eye-shaped ball courts had sloped stone platforms where spectators could sit to watch the game. The walls were painted with scenes of warriors, captives, and rulers and gods. Though the rules changed over the centuries, we know that the game was played between 2 small teams between 2 and 6 people. Sometimes the game also had a referee. Players were only allowed to touch the ball with their hips, knees, and elbows. They wore an extra layer of protective leather clothing around their hips and chest, as the game would get quite violent, and the ball was made of hard rubber, about the size of a bowling ball. The aim of the game was to make the other team drop the ball, or to get the ball through a high stone hoop at the end of the court. Scoring a goal was difficult, as it was hard to hit the ball high enough to get it through the hoop.